Interesting facts about Python that you may not know. Number 1. Python started as hobby project. Well, you might not believe me if I tell you that Python is not created as a commercial or a professional project. Rather than it was a fun side project of the creator, Guido van Rossum. Guido was looking to create something interesting for him that can keep him occupied during Christmas. We can say that Python is a gift from Santa to all the developers. Number 2. Python was named after TV show. While many people assume the name Python programming comes from something related to the Python snake, it actually comes from the TV comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. This series broadcast on the BBC channel in the United Kingdom in the 1970s and was a favorite of Guido van Rossum's. Because it was short, cryptic, and included the name of his favorite TV comedy show, he chose the name Python. Number 3. Python overtook French language. In the year 2015, Python overtook French to be the most popular language that is taught in primary schools. Statistics revealed that 7 out of 10 parents preferred their children to learn Python instead of French. The statistics is going to be increased up to 10 times in the upcoming years. Number 4. Zen of Python. Programming is an art, they keep on saying. Python actually proves it. There is actually a poem written by Tim Peters, a major contributor to the Python community, named The Zen of Python, which can be read by just typing import this in your Python IDE. Number 5. Experience anti-gravity. You can actually experience anti-gravity using one line of code in Python. Just type import anti-gravity. It opens up a web page with a comic about the anti-gravity module. Really? Try it out. Thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe to Ranga Tech Edu.